Is the GO&GO Automatic Wash Machine worth the investment? Let's be honest, every investor asks this one question before they buy anything big. Is it really worth the money? And when it comes to automatic bar and car wash machine, that question matters even more because you're just buying the machine. You are investing in a business model, a long-term cash flow system, and a brand image. So today, let's break it down. Is the GO&GO Automatic Wash Machine truly worth your investment or just another shiny piece of metal? Running a traditional pipe or car wash can be exhausting, right? You depend on labor, worker, so like some quit suddenly, quality changes every day, and when it's rain or gets busy, you can't keep up. The result: inconsistent service, unhappy customer, and limited profits. And let's not forget, manual washing wastes time. Each wash takes 20 to 30 minutes, which means you can't scale. You are stuck at maybe 20 miles a day when you could be washing 100. That's the frustration most business owners face. You work hard, but your business can't grow because the system itself has limits. Now imagine replacing all that unpredictability with automation. The GO&GO Automatic Wash Machine is not just about washing faster, it's about running smarter. Its Motorbike wash takes around 2 minutes or 4 minutes for millions of robots. That means your shop can handle hundreds of bites per day with just 1 to 2 stops. The cost per wash around 20 cents, include electricity, water, and detergent. The average price charged to customers between $1 to $2 per wash. You don't need to be a mass genius to be the profit machine here. Even at 100 bites a day, that's $100 to $150 in daily revenue, with minimal labor, no fatigue, and consistent quality. Now let's talk about reliability. GO&GO is not a new corner. Our machines are designed in Vietnam, built for Southeast Asia conditions: heat, dust, mud, humidity. The structure is galvanized steel. The components are industrial grade, and the system is customized for different markets. And the paint part is plug and play. You don't need an engineer to operate it. It's fully automatic. Just one button to start, and sensor handle the rest. Let me paint you a picture for you. Imagine a busy weekend. Motorbike light up in front of the shop. Customers smiling because they only need to wait 5 minutes. You stop, relax, no pressure, no chaos. Your revenue climbing every single day, and your brand seen as the most modern, high-tech, and trustworthy wash center in town. That's the power of automation, not just saving time, but building trust, efficiency, and profit stability. You see, GO&GO customers are not just buying the machine, they are buying peace of mind. They know their investment pays back fast. Most customers recover their costs within 6 to 20 months, depending on local traffic and pricing. And here's what's even better: GO&GO provides training, installation support, and after-sales service worldwide. That means even if you are in the Philippines, Indonesia, Africa, or the Middle East, our team have you set up, test, and run smoothly from day one. So is the GO&GO Automatic Wash Machine worth the investment? Absolutely. If you are serious about turning your car or bike wash business into the scalable, automatic, and profitable system, stop relying on unpredictable labor. Stop losing customers because of the long waiting time. Stop limiting your growth. Automation is not the future anymore. It's the present. And the sooner you adapt, the sooner you profit. With GO&GO, you're just buying a product. You are partnering with a brand that's redefining how washing business operates across Asia and beyond. So here's your next step. Click the link in the description, schedule a consultation, and see how quickly your investment can turn into profit. Because when you choose GO&GO, you are not just washing bike, you are building a business that never stops growing.